Cutting the mustard, mastering English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a phrase that might sound a bit strange at first. Cut the mustard. Have you ever wondered what it means or where it comes from? Stick around as we unravel the mystery behind this intriguing expression. Cut the mustard is an idiom in the English language used to describe someone or something that meets a desired standard or expectation. When we say someone cuts the mustard, we mean they are capable, competent, or effective in fulfilling a particular role or task. It's important to note that this phrase is often used in contexts where there's a high standard to meet, and not everyone or everything can make the cut. The exact origins of "cut the mustard" are somewhat murky, but it's widely believed to have emerged in the United States in the late 19th or early 20th century. There are several theories about how the phrase came to be. One popular theory suggests it's derived from the phrase, to pass muster, an older expression meaning to pass a rigorous inspection, mixed with the idea of mustard as a strong and pungent condiment, symbolizing something having a sharp, effective quality. Another theory links it to the physical difficulty of harvesting mustard plants, which can be tough and challenging to cut through, thus likening it to a difficult task that only the capable can accomplish. Regardless of its true origin, cut the mustard has stuck in the English language as a colorful way to express adequacy or excellence. To help you grasp how to use "cut the mustard" in everyday conversation, let's look at a few examples. Despite his efforts, he just doesn't cut the mustard as a sales manager. This software doesn't cut the mustard when it comes to photo editing needs. You'll need to really cut the mustard if you want to join the team. They only accept the best. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, from evaluating job performance to assessing the quality of products or services. And there you have it, a closer look at the idiom, cut the mustard. We hope this video has shed some light on this peculiar yet fascinating expression. Remember, idioms like these are what make learning English so interesting and fun. They add color and personality to our conversations. So, the next time you hear someone saying they need to cut the mustard, you'll know exactly what they're aiming for. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.